What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, please do subscribe. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing, installation, and review on the Racechip XLR. And stay tuned for a giveaway. So before we get started, a big thank you to Racechip for sponsoring this video and sending us this XLR. So if you've never heard of Racechip, they offer piggyback systems just like JB4 and Dynan, and they also offer this pedal tuner as well. So if you're interested in finding out more about Racechip, I'll put a link in the description below so you can find out more about their products. But you know us, we're gonna hook up the Draggy performance reader and see if there's any improvement on a 0 to 60 run after we install it. So make sure you watch this video to the end for the details on the giveaway. All right, so let's get to the unboxing. I need something to put it on. What?
That's for another video.
Yeah, that's for another video. I needed to put it on there.
Close it up.
What?
Close it up. They don't need to see that right now. That's for another video.
All right, so there's not too many pieces of this. You just slide it open, pop it, the lid open, and it comes with your instructions. And then inside, yeah, this is the brain of the system, and this is actually your dial, whatever setting you want it on. They have eco, sport, race. There's different settings, but when we install this, we're gonna go straight to race. This is the fastest unboxing I've ever done.
Look at this right here. This looks like a little network cable.
Well, this gets plugged into the brain, which is
on the bottom
right here, and then when we undo the pedal, this will go on one side of the pedal, and this will go on the other side that goes to the ECU. All right, so I'm gonna have Evan install this. Where you at? Where you at, boy? Where's your Thick Garage shirt? Do you need a link for to the shop for a new shirt?
Yeah.
So what's the first thing, Evan?
So the first thing we're gonna do is remove this T30 bit right here.
All right. Don't you strip it. Yeah, and then you can just lift up and it'll come right out. Wow, I should vacuum in there now.
Yeah,
Before
well,
we put it back.
do it. It's all dirty back there. Might as well clean it.
So the sensor on the pedal, the stock one, is just the same as this one here. There's two flanges on each side. You want to squeeze them together and then pull out. Got it?
Yep. Right. So now we're gonna take the XLR male end and plug this one back in. There you go.
Click.
And take the female and plug it into this male. And click.
So what you want to do is you want to try to push some of that wire back. Yep. So now we're just gonna put that, what was it, T30?
Yep.
Back in. All right, and then
It's good to go. We'll put this off to the side.
did you plug it into the brain already?
Yeah, that's already plugged in.
Plug the dial in. All right. So we're just temporarily going to set this aside because for testing purposes. You can mount it underneath your dash if you like, and then just take your dial unit, jump in here, and you can put it right here if you like, put it over here if you like, wherever you wish to put it. Right there doesn't look too bad. Then you can feed your wires down below here.
So on this dongle right here, there's multiple different settings, and here's what all the settings mean if you want to look at this.
So you got E plus for Eco Plus, Eco, Neutral, that's for stock. And you got Sport, Sport Plus, and Race.
And Race Plus. Can barely see it though. It's a little faint.
Ooh, Race Plus. Guess we'll do a review on Race Plus.
Alright, so let's get on the road and test this thing out.
Yeah, let's do it. So before you start your engine, you want to put it just in accessory mode and make sure you're getting power to it. You see it's lit up, so we're good there. And then we can go ahead and start the car.
So we got the dry gear mounted and we're hooking it up now.
So what it's doing basically, it's tricking the engine to think the pedal is pushed down
More than you are.
more than it really is.
Yeah. I'm curious to know if it adds performance though.
Yeah. So last time we ran a 5.4, and let's go to history. I want to see what the density altitude was. Let's see here, because it's hot today.
2,991 feet. Feel it. So we're on Sport Plus right now.
Just want to do a couple of runs before we
Kick it up some more and make sure we don't break anything. So we just kicked it up to Race Plus. We're gonna do a few runs and we're gonna see what our best 0 to 60 is.
ready.
Let's do it. Feel a difference with the pedal? Like, is it more responsive?
Oh yeah, it's definitely more responsive.
30, 60,
5.42.
All right, so the best run we got was 5.42, which I'm not too upset about because the DA is actually almost, what was it, 800 feet higher than the last time we ran a 0 to 60 with the draggy unit. And the DA plays a big factor. It's very hot out. The car is not going to perform as good as it would with a lower DA. So before we ran a 5.4, before we had the XLR, that was maybe a month ago, maybe longer than a month ago, when we were doing a 0 to 60 run with the AFE intake. So today, it's way hotter, and we ran a 5.42. If we had the same DA as we did the day we ran the AFE, I'm thinking it would have performed a bit better than the 5.4 we ran previously. So I could definitely feel it when I was driving, when you're first accelerating. I could definitely feel a difference with the throttle response. Even Evan, as a passenger, when he was filming, he could definitely feel the difference. All right, guys, if you don't have a draggy unit, I highly recommend one. You get accurate 0 to 60, 0 to 30, quarter-mile runs. I highly recommend it. It was about, what, 140 bucks? I have a link in the description below if you want to grab one. Once again, big thank you to Racechip for sending us this XLR. If you guys want to grab one for your 535 F10, we're going to be doing a giveaway. Make sure you head over to Thick Garage Instagram and look for the posts and follow the rules on how to enter.
We hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash that like button and subscribe if you're new and turn those post notifications on. That's it for this video, and we'll see you guys in the next one.